Are you very imaginative? Are you busy? Are you looking for a side hustle? Try these. Disclaimer. This video is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It would be best if you made time to put your imagination into digital arts in order to make money. I am an executive assistant and a very busy person. But I know that I love turning images into memes the little chance I get. I also love generating inspirational declarations from the Christian sermons I listen to. Also, I always wonder what an alternate version of photos or cartoons will look like. For example, how will Luigi look with a sword and a bird on his head? I developed a hobby for creating these images using apps on my phone when I want to feel productive in my free days. When COVID hit and my source of income halved, I discovered these platforms where I could make money out of my crazy imaginations. In this video, I will introduce these platforms to you and highlight a few pros and cons of each website. I will introduce them from my favorite to my least favorite. My number one is Teepublic. Teepublic is by far my best website for making money because I have made quite a lot of sales on my Teepublic store. I joined in 2020 and made my first sale in my third month. Pros. 1. It's a print-on-demand shop. 2. They advertise your designs. 3. Sale margins are reasonably fair. 4. Very strict on copyright laws. 5. Varied payment options, for example, Payoneer. 6. Get paid every month, regardless of your earned income. 7. Easy to upload designs. 8. Orders are fulfilled for you. Cons. 1. Competition is high. 2. Designs get taken down frequently, especially for those creating memes. 3. Dull interface. 4. Limited number of products. 5. No Google tracking to check page visits. My number 2 is Redbubble. I have not made many sales in my Redbubble store, but the few items I have been able to sell brought huge returns. When I joined Redbubble, I made my first sale much earlier than I did on Teepublic, but it slowed down dramatically. Pros. 1. It's a print-on-demand shop. 2. They advertise your designs. 3. Sale margins are flexible. 4. Very strict on copyright laws. 5. Varied payment options. 6. Amazing interface. 7. Google Analytics. 8. Wide variety of products. 9. Orders are fulfilled for you. Cons. 1. Competition is high. 2. You don't get paid until you make $10. 3. Requires a lot of work and other to upload designs. My number 3 is Storenvy. I am still getting used to Storenvy. I joined just 4 months ago. But I love it because I can sell all my print-on-demand designs there, including other items. The traffic I got to my store from their marketplace within a few hours was more encouraging than other platforms I use. Pros. 1. You can sell anything on there. 2. They advertise your designs. 3. You can sell on their marketplace or create your store for free. 4. Inbuilt analytics. 5. Offers affiliate programs. Cons. 1. Their marketplace sales commission is high. 2. They advertise your product for a fee. 3. Stringent payment options. 4. Slightly unfriendly user interface. 5. You fulfill orders yourself. 6. You are allowed to upload only 20 products for free. 7. Subscription is needed. My number 3 is Spreadshirt. Similar to Redbubble, I have not made many sales in my store, but the few items I have been able to sell brought huge returns. When I joined Spreadshirt, I didn't expect to make any sales, but for some miraculous reason, sales started coming through. Pros. 1. It's a print-on-demand shop. 2. Very strict on copyright laws. 3. Varied payment options. 4. Amazing interface. 5. Analytics. 8. Wide variety of products. 9. Orders are fulfilled for you. Cons. 1. Competition is high. 2. You don't get paid until you make $10 and above. 3. Requires a lot of work and other to upload designs. 4. Designs are rejected for trivial reasons. 5. They do not advertise for you until you have over 200 designs. 6. The site can frustrate buyers. My final favorite is Shine On. Shine On is like the print-on-demand of jewelry. Like Teepublic, Redbubble, and other pod sites, you upload your designs and fit them onto jewelry such as neck and leg chains and bangles and sell. I joined in 2021 and made quite a few sales there because the jewelry is cheap. Pros: 1. Orders are fulfilled for you. 2. Has affiliate program. 3. Wide variety of products. 4. Reasonable commission. 5. Quick payment. Cons: 1. You have to do your own advertisement. 2. The jewelry is cheap. 3. Stringent payment options. 4. Slightly unfriendly user interface. 5. No analytics. Now, you might be wondering, all these sound nice. But how do I make my designs? I only use 2 platforms, which I believe are popular with all pod designers. Canva.com. Placeit.com. Canva.com has a very user-friendly interface and makes it easy to bring your imagination to life. Canva is versatile and suitable for making all designs. Placeit is suitable for meme creation, spooky designs, and retro designs. This short video is just an introduction to these platforms. I will take each website and dive deep into its interface and how to upload your designs in my future videos. Watch this space. You can find all the necessary links in the description. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for future videos. Also share and subscribe.